Meaning of hospital pass.
Hospital pass.
Hospital pass.
Hospital pass.
Hospital pass. A hospital pass is a term used in sports, particularly in football, soccer, to describe a situation where a player passes the ball to a teammate in a difficult or dangerous position, putting them at risk of injury from an opposing player's tackle. The term hospital pass implies that the receiving player is likely to be injured and need to go to the hospital. In a general sense, the term can also refer to any situation where someone is put in harm's way by the actions of another person. Overall, it is a phrase used to describe a risky decision or action that can have negative consequences.